Okay, here we are with the new tee. This is extra large on my shoulders and arms. I graded out to 2X. It looks amazing. I really like it. I love this hem. I have visions of flipping it the other way in a contrast. The neck is fine. This is double brush polyester. This is version 2. If I had any feedback, it would be that this is extremely wide across the upper bust, and I did use for my upper bust size, but it barely, like, it kind of comes off my shoulder. Even though it's extra large, it's real wide. I'm sure that's part of the whole boxy thing, but I just want to bring that to attention because that'll get addressed, I think, by people when they buy. There's a lot of extra here. Yeah, I'd probably want to pull this in maybe a tiny, take some of this out, but then maybe it's not a boxy tee. But yeah, I like it a ton.